Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Mathius and today I will be guiding you to create parallax effect in PowerPoint using animation. So for the first step is to insert a rectangle that fills the entire area of the slide. And then what we need to do is we go down here and press format shape and put the transparency to maybe 30%. And then we zoom out and insert another rectangle, this time a really big one, and rotate it slightly, oops, my bad, and rotate it slightly like this. And we add another rectangle, which can also be accessed here. If you don't want to press insert and press this, you can just select from here, rotate it again, this time slightly less rotation. And now we do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so before we intersect it, we need to do this. Select all four of those rectangles and we put it in the center. Let's bring it a bit here. This one put here. Okay. Okay, there we go. And copy. Select this, intersect, paste, select this, intersect, paste again, select again, intersect again. You get the idea. And we're done. And now what we need to do is we select outside of the area from the slide and click format background, fill texture or picture or texture fill, and we insert it. You can use any image you like, and I've chosen this one because I really like what it looks like. And then we select all the rectangles and you select slide background fills. That is what it's going to look like. But before that, we need to select all four triangles, shape format, shape outline, and make sure that there is no outline. And now for these two, shape effects, shadows, shadow options. You select the presets, offset right, and increase the size to 102%, increase the blur to 30 points, and we do the same thing for this one, except the difference is that instead of making the shadow go to the right, we make the shadow go to the left, so offset left. Once again, size 102% and blur 30%. 30 points, my bad, sorry. And we select all four of these, slide background fill. You have the parallax effect look already. Now we're going to add animation to it. Select these two and we go to animations, pick this drop down here that shows more effects, and we take lines, and it's going to show a preview of the effect. This green dot is where the image starts at, and this red dot shows where the image ends. Well, not image, objects, I guess. Click animation pane and this will be selected. That's what it's going to look like. Now let's remove this first. Select these two again, and this time instead of picking lines, we are going to pick, which one should we pick? Grow and shrink. There we go. That looks better. And now we're going to select this thing here, effect option, and we're gonna let the size stay 150. Increase the smooth start to 1 second, smooth end to 1 second as well, and put it to auto reverse. And now we're going to do the same for this one. Like this, and we're going to choose horizontal, and it's going to grow like that. This one as well, horizontal. And for these two, we are going to do the same. So click both, add animation, grow / shrink. Once again, horizontal. And we're going to go to timing, go to effects, and change it to 1 second, just like before, and auto reverse again. And then after these 4 are done, we paste this, and then go to shape format, format shape, slide background fill, and send it to backwards. Send to back. Okay, and this time what we're going to do is we're gonna add animations to this as well. And just like before, we're going to click grow and shrink. Yes. Change the timing. This again. And then animation pane. Timing. Effects. So start 1 second. Click, oops, my bad. And there we go. So on this number 2, we represent this and this on the left. On the right side, click both, and then use click start with previous, and this also start with previous. Okay, now we're not done here. Well, we need to add another animation to these two, and this time you click add animation and you click lines. As you can see, it will move down here, and so we take the red dot here to signify where it ends, and you just move it. Now let's see. Okay, so we haven't changed the timing yet, so it's fine. We can keep on doing this first. Get lines, do the same thing. Click these two. Start with previous, timing, auto reverse. These two as well. Start with previous, timing, auto reverse. And now let's play all of it. And that's what it's going to look like. This, we need to make sure that, yes, that's the problem. We need to make sure that it's auto reverse as well. And now let's preview it. Okay, so as we've seen earlier, and this is what it's going to look like. It goes out and then it goes to the end. But how do we make it that it all just repeats over and over again? So what we need to do is to select all, click here, timing, and repeat until next click. This is to signify that we are going to the next slide, because by default that is what PowerPoint accepts next slide input as. Oh yeah, why don't we add some text on the slide? Center a line and just pick a font Pillar Plate. Pillar Plate, California. Increase the size to 60 and put the text to white, and let's just say welcome to my presentation. Center it and bring backwards again, backwards and backwards. For this text here, we're going to add an animation, and we're going to put in, let's put in quick, yes, duration for over here for 1.5 seconds. We'll go to animation pane, click here and start with previous. Now that's it. Now you may notice that it appeared too early, so we're going to add a delay of 0.5 seconds, and that's it. And there we go.